At Trafalgar Castle School, our academic program is grounded in educational research about learning and achievement. It is also rooted in future-ready competencies that prepare students for the real-world challenges and opportunities. Whether it's communication, collaboration, systems thinking, or innovation, our programs lean heavily on building competencies that build skills, habits of mind, and knowledge that students can transfer from the classroom into the real life. Trafalgar Castle School has scaffolded its science, technology, art, and math programs from grades 4 to 12 to ensure a progression of skills that enable students to succeed in STEAM and the real world in general. Robotics, computational thinking, systems thinking, design thinking, and engineering design processes are integrated into these programs. Our other programs like art and drama foster creativity and design thinking, essential for today's leaders. Trafalgar's Beyond the Castle program for students in grades 4 through 12 enables them to learn their learning beyond the classroom. This week-long program provides hands-on experiential learning with partners across Ontario who are leading the way in areas like STEM, business, the arts, and more. Our advanced placement courses provide senior students the opportunity to undertake university-level work and explore subjects in greater depth to prepare them for their post-secondary study. Trafalgar Castle School's small class sizes, dedicated teachers, and strong learning supports like advisor groups and tutorials ensure that each student is seen, known, and empowered to reach their full potential. Our students gain entry to some of the top universities here in Canada and around the world. Our academics ensure that whether you're exploring science and technology, creating art, or engineering new innovations, there's no challenge too great for a Trafalgar girl.